Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be fitting this 240 output. This is the shape that we'll be cutting out in the van. We also bought this. It's like a cordless drill nibbler like attachment. Looks pretty good, has some good reviews. The one I've got I think is just from Amazon. It's made by ROSI, like Rosie. I would show it, but it's struggling to focus. It's pretty good, like it snaps shut, never leave it open, and like it's quality, to be fair, for the price. Let's just crack on with it, see how we get on. I have had an eventful morning. I was locked out of my van and I called somebody out. He tried everything, but this is what we had to do to get in my van, because the battery was being isolated, because I'd pressed the battery isolator and deadlocked the van, which meant we could not open it. That started off the window for me. Okay, I'll fix the brightness as well now. Now it's time to see how this thing works. If you want to see how I got to this stage, then follow the account on YouTube, subscribe to it, find the playlist with van conversion on it. I'm going to strip these so you can see the metal, the copper, and then I'm going to fit these two, screw these into these two first into position, and then do this one, because this one looks like it doesn't need to be as long. Everyone else does. And live there has an L with a plus sign next to it. That's your brown one. Then your neutral there, that's your blue one. And then your ground, that's the green and yellow one. Let's get that fitted. Okay, that's these in. You can tug on that and that's fine. Okay, so I don't know where it was at last time I filmed this, but I'm ready to test the 240 volt outlet. We have the cable coming from the garage, just one 240 hookup that I picked up from Amazon, and that is going into our, I don't know what that's called, just the 240 volt hookup. It starts in really nice and it has quite a nice push into it. We can see in the electrics area that it's charging the batteries, and this is really like the 240 volt kind of fuse board. That's the charger, and then there's two other fuses that run around to this switch here for the cooler, and these switches here. I just plugged this in to kind of show you. That's working, luckily. And then down here we have the cooler, but this is in the way. Maybe you can hear it. Let's see. Yeah, I can hear that that's on. I don't think I filmed myself wiring these up, but it's the same as the outlet down there, just the same with the cables and the wires and that. But actually, for the switch, you wire a live from your appliance and then a live from your fuse board. Drilling a hole inside of the van, putting your outlet in, wiring it up to the fuse board that you've got, and then from that fuse board I've took a battery charger, and yeah, the whole sort of kit was from Wired Campers. Like, people say it's expensive, but it's quality, it's really good. and you can't really go wrong when you're fitting it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, and see you soon.